I have a question today, and that question is, why don't you wash a cast iron pan? Now, I get this question asked quite frequently on our channel. Matter of fact, I get comments left on videos from people that say, do not wash your cast iron skillet. Now, I don't know where this comes from, but I mean, hey, some people are adamant about do not wash your cast iron skillet. Now, I don't get that because I have never said anything like that on this channel. The only time I've ever said anything about do not wash your cast iron pan or your skillet is to put it in a dishwasher. And I have a video about that on our channel. And you can see how it has easily stripped all the seasoning off of your cast iron skillet. Now, I guess this is the reason why some people say don't wash your cast iron pan. Now, maybe you can help me to understand this a little better. I mean, why wouldn't you wash your cast iron pan or your cast iron skillet? You wash other cooking utensils. So, I mean, if your seasoning is that weak that if you wash your cast iron skillet or cast iron pan and you're afraid of losing the seasoning off of it, then, you know, you need to learn how to season a cast iron skillet a little better maybe. And we've got videos about that. But, you know, just hot water with a stiff bristle brush will do wonders for a cast iron skillet if you wash and clean it up right after you cook while the skillet is still hot or still warm. That's one of the best ways to do it if you don't want to use dishwashing liquid. Now, I know some people say do not whatsoever use any kind of soap on your cast iron skillet. Let me know if you use soap on your cast iron skillet. Now, a mild detergent like Dawn dishwashing liquid certainly will not hurt a cast iron skillet. This skillet has been washed and cleaned up with Dawn dishwashing liquid before, and there's nothing wrong with the seasoning on this cast iron skillet. Now, you may say, well, hey, I don't use salt or I don't use soap, but what I do use is maybe a little olive oil and salt. I heat the cast iron skillet up with some olive oil or oil of your choice in the skillet, and I pour coarse or just salt in there, and I wash and clean my skillet up with salt and olive oil. You know, you may also just use baking soda and water. You know, hot water and baking soda to wash and clean your cast iron skillet up. But, you know, to have that question thrown out in, you know, the community of why don't you wash a cast iron pan, I don't get it. I don't understand it. I mean, folks, I'm just going to say this as plainly as I can. You better wash your cast iron skillet. You're liable to get all kind of heebie-jeebies on you if you don't. So, y'all have a great day. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. We'll talk at you later. We'll see you. Bye-bye.